Hello guys, today I'll show you how you can rearrange your home screen in the Oppo Reno 8T. So we start from the adding a widget. If you want to add some, just hold the finger on the empty place in your home screen and choose widgets. Now just look for your desired one, like this one, and just hold it and select the place for it. If you are ready, click done, and that's it. If you want to resize this, just hold the finger again, and you can see there we have a small edges. So we can resize it by dragging it. If you want to remove any widget, just hold the finger again and tap on the remove. Now just confirm it. That's it. If you want to make a folder, just hold any up and drag onto another. If you want to change the name of the folder, click on it, click on the folder and type your name. If you want to remove the folder, just take out all of the apps. Now just hold your finger again, and you can see that we have a few options to edit. We can change the wallpaper. You can also use the live wallpaper, like this one. Hold your finger again, and if you want to change your icon style, just open it. Click allow and allow again. Now you can change the design of your icons. The next tip from me, just go to the transitions. And this is the style, how you can swiping the pages. You can use the cube, for example, or just a roll. If you're ready, click done. You can also go to the more if you want to change the animation speed of your apps to make your phone faster. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.